Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create simple Toon shader in Blender. So let's get into it. First of all, we're gonna delete this cube and I'm gonna click Shift A and we're just gonna add monkey head. Okay, we're gonna go over here where it says shader editor. We'll expand this and click on new, and we're going to move this Principled BSDF to the side. And I'm gonna add a shader to RGB. I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm also gonna add color ramp. I'm gonna put it over here. Now we're gonna change this linear to constant, and I'm gonna add a new color over here. This part we can move a bit to the side and click here to see what you done. And I'm going to change this color to, let's say, red, this color to yellow, for example, and this color to, let's say, blue. And there you go, you have a simple Toon shader. Of course, you can change the colors, but yeah, this is basically how to do this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.